Okay, so the first question says uh, a small block of mass 100 gram is tied to a spring of spring constant 7.5 Newton per meter and length 20 centimeter, right? The other end of the spring is fixed at a particular point A. Okay, if the block moves in a circular path on a smooth horizontal surface with constant angular velocity, the 5 rad per second, about point A, then the tension on the spring, we have to calculate the tension in the spring, right? So to do this, first what we have to do, let's say uh, this is the motion. Okay, okay, so this is the motion. So now this is the spring, and there is this body, and it's moving with angular velocity omega. Okay, now omega is how much? Omega is 5 rad per second. Now, so since it is moving like this, so there will be a centripetal force like this in the centripetal force in this direction, and that will balance by the centrifugal force like this, and what will be, so if it is m omega square r, so in this direction also this will be m omega square r, and on top of that the spring will be extended, right? So this will be extended like this. So there will be two forces. First is m omega square r, and also the due to the elongation of the spring there will be some kx, right? So now this kx will be of this, and this will be r plus x, the total distance from the center A, because r was the uh, uh, length 20 centimeter and add of that. So if you do the force balance, then kx, this force will be this amount, m omega square r plus x, right? So k is 7.5 Newton per meter. So if you put it like this, 7.5x, and mass is 100 gram, so 0.1 kg, and omega square is 5, so 5 square times r plus x. So this will be 7.5x is equal to 2.5 r plus x, right? So what we have to done is this restoring force in the spring is due to this centripetal force. So then if you do take x variable this side, then this will be 2.5 into r, and r is 20 centimeter, so this is 20. So then that makes is x is equal to 5 by 5 is equals to, okay, sorry, 20 centimeters, so 10 to the power minus 2. So if you do that, then it becomes 50 centimeter, so then 0.1 meter, right? Understood these concepts? So that's this. Okay, so x will be 0.1 meter. So if x is 0.1 meters, and then required tension will be, then the required tension force, how much? This kx, so k times x, k is 7.5, x is 0.1, this is the SI unit, so this will become 0.5 Newton. So option A is correct one. Okay, so the main idea to solve this is this restoring force in the spring is due to the centripetal force. Okay, so any doubt? No doubt.